Another impromptu video. I don't normally do videos like this at all. I'm all about the kids' activities and what you could do at home with your kids to learn through play. But today, Dollar Tree surprised me. Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. I am leaving Dollar Tree, heading home, but I wanted to jump on here because I had found the planners, the Dollar Tree dupes for bigger name brand planners. And I found it at 2 different stores, so I figured a lot of you can probably find it too. So I'm gonna show you what I'm finding in store, and I'm gonna run home and show you them in detail. We're talking about all the Dollar Tree planners today. I'm not sure what overcame me, but I was just really curious. And when I saw them at 2 stores, I just had to try it. I have the 2 covers or the 2 main books that I've seen in the stores right now. I don't know if they're going to be coming out with more styles or more designs, but they are customizable planners. These sets come with 20 sheets. And so I got both of them. This one has the black, this one has the white. Let me open them first of all, because I don't even know what's inside of here. The label says there's personalized info page, non-dated months, removable pages, and there's 20 sheets in total. So additional inserts are sold separately. Yes, they are. Here's the first one. So this little tabby thing can come off, obviously. And then we have 2022 for the year. And that's a nice material, I'd say. Okay, now opening it up is a little difficult. I will say that. It's not like an easy thing to do. Personal information is the first sheet. Name, address, all that stuff. Medical information. Okay. Then we have, see, this is a calendar. And this is by month. So we have a month here. You could circle the year across the top, or not the year, the month. You can circle what month it is, and then you fill in the dates yourself and decorate it. We have a couple of those already in here. I don't know how many months. Let me count those for you. I'll count them, why not? So yeah, so you have more than enough to do 12 months. So then we have by day, and you can fill in the year here. So this is by week, then each section is a day. And then you have quite a few of those pages. That's good. And then you have a couple of notes pages at the end. So all in all, for $1.25, I'd have to say that this is pretty complete. These have the black binding on them, and I guess the pages just slip on there. Yeah, and these little interesting. The only thing I do not like so far is that it is hard to open the pages, and then it's not lying flat on your table. So you kind of have to deal with that. I guess if you push it all down, it will sit flat, but then you're bumping into those things. Say for $1.25, I think it's actually pretty good. I just don't know about those. I guess you could replace those bindings if you wanted to. So that's the 2021. Let's take a look at the 2022 one that comes in red and kind of a gradient pink and orange. And then we have this one, which is blue with a whole bunch of designs on it. And this one has the white discs on it. So this is going to have the exact same thing. Yeah, it does. And then the same color. Although the design is kind of fun. It's printed on the inside. Next up were customizable planner covers. They only had 2 packages at my store. And it says mix and match to make the perfect planner. Add even more flair with additional accessories sold separately. So let's start with this one. The Future is Bright one. That's kind of rainbowish. How many are in here? 2 sets is what it says. So that means there should be 4 pages in here. So you can switch out your binders, the cover and the back. So here's the front. The Future is Bright. So it's got this really pretty gradient rainbow. And then here is the back cover. And then the other one says State of Kind, also kind of in rainbow font. And it's a gradient to like a bluish green aqua color. And then here is the back cover. So you can switch these out if you don't like these, or if it's a different year, which would be really great. Like those. This one says, so we have Yes You Can with this red and blue motif, front and back. And then Hello Lovely is just the floral one. Very cool. So you can mix and match if you wanted to use these with together or whatever combination you want. I think that's kind of cool too. Then they had tabs. These are 6-piece set tabs. Once again, I saw a set of 2. I feel like they're kind of matching these in a way, kind of matching the colors and the theme. So let's see what we have. Let's start with this one. It says you gotta keep going to keep growing. All right, so these have the punches here, just like all these do, to fit with the discs. And these have, it says months on this one, on this tab, and they are smaller, so they'll fit inside there. This one says weekly. This one says notes, happiness blooms. This one doesn't say anything. So these last 3 don't have anything. You can write what you want or label the tabs. And then we have live, love, bloom. I really like that one. And then this one says be kind. So that's kind of cool that you can make your own tabs. But then I guess you could also make tabs chance to go over these if you didn't like what they had on here. But what's really neat is that they actually have the words that match what's already in your main planner that you bought. And then everything's punched for you so you can mix and match those too. Let's check out this one, Dare to Be Different. We have the red Dare to Be Different monthly tab. The weekly one says Shine Bright, which actually would match. See how they all coordinate? They did that on purpose, I'm sure. Notes with the flamingo, a cactus, that's a blank one. Be bright, be happy, be you. This one's beautiful. And then think happy thoughts. Definitely can see how they can mix and match all of these sets. Then we have the planner inserts. And so they had just extras of what's already in your book. So if you need more for next year, you have those. And so they're the exact same thing. These are the calendar pages. And then we have the notes pages and then the year pages. And then not the year, the month, the days of the week for the month. And then it says 40 sheets in each one of these, I think. So they got you good and they're supplied. So if you like this and you plan on using this for more than 1 year, then I would definitely go ahead and buy these at the same time, just in case you can't find them at Dollar Tree later. Because sometimes, things sell out. And I have a feeling that this actually might be a very popular style right now. And you would hate to not have enough when you need them. Some fun things that they had that you don't need the planners for, or you could use other things, other stickers out there, are these planner stickers. I only found 2 different sets. And this one basically has a lot more of the red. So I think this is supposed to go with the red set versus the rainbow set. And oh, this is so cute. So there's 3 sheets. Was I supposed to get 3 sheets? It's 240 stickers. Okay, so I got 2 of the same. So these are like your to-dos as reminders, appointments, due today, important, birthday, get it done. So like reminder, like little task stickers is what those sheets are. And they also have the hole punches in there too, so you can put them in your planner and have them handy. And then, oh no, there's 2 here too. I was surprised. You get 2 sheets of these, so keep going. Like little floral accents and hearts and things like that, little tabs, and then like motivational sayings. And this is all kind of like motivational things. So live, love, bloom. Yes, you can. Life is tough, but so are you. Spread kindness. Very, very cute. Okay, so 4 sheets in that package. And then in the other one, this matches the little rainbow set we have. 4 sheets in here too. So we have Shine Bright, little flamingos and cherries and butterflies. And then we have all of your to-do stickers here. Same kind of thing as the other one, but more in that rainbow motif. Definitely like these. So even if you don't use these planners and you have your own planner at home, look for these. These are really, really cute. $1.25 and you get the 4 sheets. And then if you have that size planner, they'll fit in there with the little holes in there already. A couple other accessories that they had that I guess aren't necessary but were just additional, so I wanted to mention them, were these packages of stencils. I couldn't see in there to tell what they were, so here's the red package, and they also have that kind of hole punch on the side so you can keep them in your planners for when you are planning. And then there's 3 in here. So this one we have ice cream, lips, cactus, rainbow, flamingo, diamonds. These are like tabs and geometric shapes. And then what's this one? Same thing, just like your standard. There's like a tooth on here for a tooth appointment, an airplane, a martini glass, camera, house, and then some numbers at the bottom. So this is really cool because then you can take markers or whatever and just decorate your planner by using the stencils, and it makes it that much easier, especially if you are not a drawer. And the blue, I don't know if this was just a different color or if they were the exact same stencils. I'm hoping they're a little bit different. Let's see what we got here. All right, so I have to compare. Alrighty, so here we have these are different. So we have stars on this one. It's like a little like a speech bubble, flowers, and even some borders too. It's just kind of fun. This one is very similar to the other one where it has all those kind of like appointment things, a house, a plane, weight for the gym, star, martini glass. So it has the similar things, they're just in a different order. And then this one, let's see if this one is the same. I think this might be the same. So the first one, they are the exact same, just in a different spot on the sheet. Or the first set of stencils is definitely different, and then the other 2 are very similar to the other package, just different spots. And then lastly are these. So these came in 2 different sizes. I picked up the large because they were smaller on here. So if I compare sizes, I don't know if you can see that. They're larger than those, so they come with the small ones. You can also buy the small ones, and I got the large ones thinking that all of these papers and sheets might get a little big. So they give you, how many are in here? 10 pieces in here, and you use how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the actual planner. And I guess your sheets just on into here. Let me see if I can find, here we go, how it goes. It just hooks. Yeah, it just hooks right onto there. So it's not exactly like the most sturdiest of planners. If anybody's had experience with this, I'd love to hear it because I haven't actually used it. I'm just kind of reviewing it here. They also had some planner decals, which I didn't end up getting because it looked like they were just glorified sticker sheets that you could put onto your covers or onto your dividers, but they are available. What do you guys think of this? Is this cool? Is this similar to some of the other planners out there? Would you use this system? Any tips or tricks that you have for it? I'm very curious to know. And what do you think of the selection? Is it good? Tell me all about it.
These Dollar Tree planners are known to be dupes for a more popular brand, so I went over to Michael's to check them out, and yeah, they're very, very similar to the one on Michael's, and I even went to that Happy Planner website to check it out. Really popular on YouTube. I'm also finding them on other YouTuber sites, so I know that this is like the second time they've done it, so you might want to check it out for yourself. You guys, I'm gonna put another video up here on screen for you to check out. Make sure to click subscribe and see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.